Welcome back to another Camp Nou construction update. Today, we're taking a full look at the latest progress across the stadium, focusing on the key structural developments and ongoing installation work happening throughout the site. There has been strong activity, with visible advancements in major structural elements, anchor installations, and material movement. Let's go step by step and break down everything that has changed. Work in the Gol Sur section continues, although visible progress from ground level remains limited due to restricted viewing angles. Upper-level activity is ongoing, with workers operating on scaffolding and structural pillars. Recently, slab panels have been installed across the upper section, covering a significant portion of this area. At the lower level, progress is focused on beam preparation for future installations. Metal connectors are being added to the beams, which will later support the facade elements. These connectors are precisely aligned, with minimal spacing between the beam and attachment points, indicating a more compact design compared to other sections like Tribuna. The installation process involves preparing beam surfaces, visible through marked sections where connectors are being fixed. Several connectors have already been installed on central beams, while additional work continues on adjacent structures. This stage is critical, as these connection points will support future structural elements, including facade panels. Activity here is steady but methodical, with workers ensuring alignment and structural integrity before moving forward. Near the corner of Gol Sur, there is active movement of sandwich panels, indicating ongoing facade installation preparation. Some sections of the structure still show gaps where panels have yet to be installed, confirming that this phase is still in progress. Workers are also operating on elevated platforms, performing detailed installation tasks. The surrounding structures appear largely completed at ground level, including walkways and access paths, which are now fully connected via stair systems. Protective safety netting has been installed along the front-facing sections to prevent falling materials, ensuring safe operations for workers below. This highlights increased safety measures as construction intensifies. The compression ring is becoming increasingly dominant in the structure. Its scale is now clearly visible, forming a massive circular framework above the stadium. While progress here is gradual, the size and complexity of the structure make each addition significant. New structural components, including radial beams and pillars, have been delivered to the site. Compared to previous days, there is a noticeable increase in available materials, suggesting upcoming installation phases. Multiple scaffolding structures have also been positioned, ready to support the lifting and installation of these large elements. Workers are actively preparing connection points, indicating that additional segments of the compression ring will soon be installed. The excavation zone is showing steady progress with ongoing ground leveling and preparation work. Heavy machinery, including excavators and leveling equipment, is actively adjusting and raising the surface, while trucks continue transporting soil across the area. A significant amount of material has been added, indicating an increase in ground height to meet structural requirements. The surface is being carefully smoothed to create a stable base, making this phase essential for supporting upcoming construction work. A major advancement has been observed in the installation of anchor points. In just a short period, a large number of anchors have been completed across one section. Previously, only lower rows and ceiling areas had anchors installed, but now upper sections are also nearly complete. This rapid progress suggests that the structure is being prepared quickly for the next stage, likely involving facade or lamella installation. Stored lamellas, which had been stacked for a long time, are now being actively moved from storage areas. This indicates that their installation phase is approaching. In addition, new structural elements continue to arrive, including multiple radial beams. The increase in material flow reflects a transition into a more intensive construction phase, particularly for upper structural components. In the Gol Norte section, work is currently concentrated on upper structural elements rather than lamella installation. Although lamella placement has paused, ongoing tasks include surface treatment and structural preparation. Visible markings and untreated surfaces suggest that protective coatings or finishing work may be required before lamella installation resumes. Workers are actively operating on elevated platforms, handling alignment and preparation tasks. At higher levels, cranes are actively lifting materials, possibly removing or adjusting formwork panels. This indicates that certain sections have already been concreted and are now transitioning into finishing stages. Lower sections remain relatively stable, with minimal visible changes, while interior work continues behind the scenes. The Tribuna area shows the highest level of activity, with multiple machines, cranes, and workers operating simultaneously. Structural integration continues with the installation of additional components, particularly in areas designated for future vertical access systems. Connections for lamella supports are already in place across multiple beams, indicating readiness for future facade installation. Workers are also applying surface materials to beams, likely for protection or finishing purposes. Concrete operations are active, supported by pump systems and incoming mixer trucks. New structural elements are being lifted and installed using cranes, while workers on elevated platforms secure these components in place. The area reflects coordinated multi-layered construction, with simultaneous work on structural, finishing, and support elements. At the corner near Tribuna, beam installation continues steadily. Workers are securing large beams into place using cranes and elevated platforms, contributing to the expansion of a key structural framework. This structure is expected to support future vertical circulation systems such as elevators and is progressing consistently with visible additions over recent days. Across multiple upper sections, workers are engaged in welding and fine structural adjustments. These tasks are essential for securing connections between major components and ensuring long-term stability. Although movement appears limited in some areas, detailed work is ongoing, particularly in zones that are less visible from ground level. Overall, the stadium construction continues to advance at a steady pace. Key highlights include rapid anchor installation, increased material delivery, and ongoing work on the compression ring. While some areas show limited visible change, significant structural and preparatory work is being completed simultaneously across different sections. The project is clearly transitioning into a more advanced phase, with major components being prepared for installation in the coming days. That's it for today's Camp Nou update. Progress is moving steadily with important structural work continuing across the site. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.